Does it? You forget I'm Thor. I will. Ladies and gentlemen, it is fucking raining randomly here at work. Everybody's trying to leave. Everybody else has just hopped in their car, no problem, no big deal, dipped out. But your boy, the legendary Great High Chief Koa, aka the Antihero, rode to work today, as you saw, and was not expecting this. This was not in the forecast. This was not in the forecast. And now, oh fuck, and now here we are, you know what I'm saying? Oh fuck, man, I'm just getting dripped on, you know what I'm saying? Like shit, the sky is wet. We're gonna ride and be careful. I have to keep my shit cracked. It's fogging up. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for tuning in. This is gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a wet, fun one. Wet and fun. It's gonna be a wet and fun one. I actually need to make this light more than anything in the world. More than anything. Oh. Skirt, skirt. Very carefully. Ding, ding, ding. Very carefully. Everybody's like, wow, this guy rode his bike to work. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna try to, oh my god. That was the most water I've ever felt. Like, just violate my foot. Holy shit. Just entered my shoe, soaking wet now. Like I said, it's gonna be a fun one. Right? Life is full of ups and downs. Okay, if you guys think I'm waiting in traffic and not fucking lane splitting today, you are absolutely out of your fucking mind. You're absolutely out of your fucking mind. Absolutely. Skirt. Out of your fucking mind. Wow, look at the sky. Oh my god, I hope you can see that. Hope you guys can see how gray it is. Actually interesting. Wow, this rain kind of hurts. This rain is pelting my neck, pelting my chest, but it feels so good. I'm not even gonna cap, you know what I mean? Like, it feels incredible. After going to the gym last night, after working, like, I'm tired as fuck. I'm not gonna cap, but it feels so good. It's like very refreshing. It's not like a cold plunge. It's not that cold, but it feels like, you know, not warm either, right? But just, you know, the good kind of cold, right? When you hop into like a pool and you're like, wow, this is mud. That's how it feels. Trying to take it easy, slow ride. God, I hope you're all doing well. It's been a easy Monday, which is nice, and a good one actually, you know. Now I am starving. I just want to get home. I'm thinking about making some burgers, and if you know anything about me, all my burgers are always double cheeseburger, and I usually do 2, which is crazy, but that's how I instantly hit all my protein for the day, which isn't the best way to get it all in because only so much of it can be used. But I'm just saying, like, it is so fucking good, man. Instantly, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think it's actually only 100 grams of protein. I don't know. Yeah, like if each patty is a quarter pound, you get a whole pound. A pound gets you about 100 grams of protein. Yeah, okay, well, I mean, I get half of it, so it is what it is. It is what it is. God, it smells like Hawaii right now. Just the warm rain. You can try to see, like, the sun wants to peek through, like, everything. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh. 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 I've been riding with my turn signal on. Wow, this is actually very peaceful. If it wasn't so dangerous, I literally, I don't know, man, I would chill here. I would chill in this very moment. Oh, oh, oh. So I guess a tip when you're actually riding in the rain and you're not sure like what the road actually looks like, where the water puddles are, because you really want to avoid those, because that's, you know, you go too fast in those, you'll slip out for sure. You'll wash out, literally wash out. So what I like to do is I like to stay behind cars. You know, usually I like try to get around them and shit, but like these cars will let me know like where the puddles are based on how their tires hit them and how much water splashes up. So those places you want to actually go slow, take it easy. You want to do that the whole way anyways, but those are specifically those moments in the airport. Just, I mean, it looks like the apocalypse out here. But yeah, just a little tip, from the cheap. I'm gonna downshift because why not? Lagoon. Wow, I'm not gonna cap, my nuts are soaked right now, dude. And there's water going from my hoodie down into my pants. These are like work slacks too, like golf pants actually. So they're just super like airy, right? Which is really nice, especially when it's hot. But it's basically just like, you know, a wet cloth just absorbing water, holding it. My shoes are doing this. Literally, like, I just turned it off, turned it back on. There's like no red light going. Oh, it's recording now. Check this out. So we're sitting here and cars just flash by and just fucking soak us. So look at our arms, we're just actually fucking soaked. Look at that. Look at that. It's fucking dripping, but it's beautiful out here. Like, look at the fall background. Holy shit, that's very aesthetic. That is okay. That's not so much. That's fucking, you know, that's true thunder for sure. But look at that fucking background. It's very fall like. It's fucking beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. God, I hope you're all doing well. Sorry if the recording cut out. I honestly could not tell you. I was doing a lot of yapping though, so maybe it's a good thing. But yeah, it's just fucking beautiful. My shoes are soaked. My pants are absolutely soaked. My new Quadlock is soaked. The bike needed a wash, so there's that. And I'm glad I got gas at lunch, because boy howdy, I'm telling you, just having to stay longer in this rain would fucking suck, man. It truly would. It truly would. God, it's so beautiful though. Look at this. Look at this rainy December day. Beautiful. Yep, I mean the ride was a lot longer, but yeah, I don't know, it just kind of stopped recording. The airport was red. It was fucking beautiful. I wish I could go back and like actually show you guys, but that makes no fucking sense, dude. Look how it's fucking pouring, and the camera's not gonna do it any justice either. Like, it's gonna be like, wow, there's not even any raindrops falling. Like, okay, jackass, trust me, the streets are flooded, the sky is pouring down fucking rain. It is actually fun though. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna say it's no fun, but it is interesting. I'm going. Oh, fuck the law, officer. I'm sorry, but can you blame me? Ah, look at this. This is a beautiful ass fucking world, dude. I might even open my visor, bro. I want to see this. I want to see what you see. Oh, fuck. Okay, never mind. Just trust me. Take my word for it. I guess I'll watch it when I edit it. That was the hardest I've ever been slapped by a raindrop. That was fucking nuts, man. Ah, so beautiful. Monday down. 4 more days to go. Then another Monday, half day, and then boom. 9 days vacation, baby. 9 days vacation. I cannot wait. Oh, yep. Cannot wait. Well, I'm not sure how much of this video even like came out, but thank you all for fucking watching. I got about 2 more miles to fucking go, but I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna start trying to be better about that. Yeah, but I love ya. Remember, okay, but I love you. And remember, you can always be a hero, but there'll only be one anti-hero. I don't even know what that was. Bye guys, I love ya. Oh my god, it's so fucking beautiful out here. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life for me. And I'm feeling, oh my, you see that fucking lightning? Jeez. Jeez Louise. We're still recording? Okay, well, I love you, bye.